Consumer Rights Day 2020. Friends, Bob Marley once said, "Get up, stand up for your rights. Get up, stand up, do not give up the fight." So, this is for all of us as consumer. On 15th March 1962, the President of USA, John F. Kennedy, gave an address to the US Congress in which he formally addressed the issues of consumer rights. Let us first know what is consumer. The person who buys any goods or any services for valuable consideration, or person who harbors goods or services exclusively the purpose of earning their livelihood are considered as consumer.
ಹೌದಮ್ಮ, ನಾವು ಅಂಗಡಿಗೆ ತಂದು ಬಾಡಿಗೆ ಕಟ್ಟಿ ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 52 ರೂಪೀಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಆಂಟಿ, ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋ ತಪ್ಪು. MRP ಎಷ್ಟು ರೇಟಿಗೆ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ರೇಟಿಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
ಏ ಹುಡುಗಿ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀಯ? ನಿಂಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇದ್ರೆ ತಗೋ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಹೋಗು. ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ಯಾವ್ದು ಎಷ್ಟು ರೇಟಿಗೆ ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ.
ಅಮ್ಮ,
ಏನಮ್ಮ?
ಅಮ್ಮ ನೋಡಮ್ಮ, ಆಂಟಿ 52 ರೂಪೀಸ್ ಮಾರೋದನ್ನ 52 ರೂಪೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಟೀಚರ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ MRP ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆಯೋ ಅಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾರಬೇಕಲ್ಲ.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೀಚರು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. MRP ರೇಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆಯೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು.
And my dear friends, my name is Ashish Kumari from 5th A2. My topic is about consumer rights. Let us know about consumer rights. Right to safety against hazardous goods and services. Right to be informed about quality, quantity, purity, standard and price. Right to choose from a variety goods at competitive prices, brand, quality, etc. Right to be heard. Right to seek redressal. The right to seek redressal against unfair trade practices or unethical of consumers with the help of the Consumers Protection Act, consumer courts or incorporated for consumers.
Hi, I am Utkarsh Kumar Pandit. When we speak about consumer rights, we also must be aware of our responsibilities. Consumer responsibilities are knowledge. When you want to purchase a product, you should know the different choices of the product in the market, standardized product, quality insurance like ISI, etc. Follow proper instruction of how to use the product. Read the label carefully. Follow manufacturing instructions. Ask for cash memo of purchased product is compulsorily. Honest in dealing. For a consumer society, if there is a defect in the product manufacturing, you can contact a seller for the replacement of a product. If he refuses, then you can approach to consumer firm. If the judgment given in the form is not satisfactory, you can appeal to the higher form. If the direct form of judgment is unsatisfactory, you can approach the state commission within 30 days. When unsatisfied, then you can approach to National Commission, where is in Supreme Court. Be eco-friendly. Thank you.